Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting both devices ready. Turn Bluetooth on in settings and keep your phone unlocked so prompts appear. Once done, put the car's infotainment system into pairing or discovery mode. There's usually a specific Bluetooth or phone menu. Make sure you are within a few feet so the devices can detect each other. Proximity speeds discovery and avoids interference. You do this first because a successful connection depends on both sides actively searching for a new device. Next, look at your iPhone's Bluetooth list and tap the car's name when it appears. Once selected, compare the PIN or code shown on the car display and your iPhone. Confirm on both to authenticate the connection. After pairing, iOS typically asks to allow contacts and favorites. Granting access enables hands-free calling and caller ID. Make sure to accept these permissions, otherwise you'll get audio but not phone book features. This step secures the link and enables full functionality. Finally, switch your car audio source to Bluetooth and test with a call or music to confirm both phone audio and microphone work. If something fails, first check simple items: volume levels, the iPhone's audio output selection, and the car's input channel. If audio or pairing still fails, forget the device on your iPhone and remove the car from the head unit, then repeat pairing. This clears stale profiles. If problems persist, consult the car manual or restart both devices to resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.